Hello, loves. My name is Kelsey Dawn, and this is day 1 of 30 days in nature, 1 hour in nature. I'm calling it Nurtured by Nature. And sitting amongst this moss and these ferns and these old, beautiful cedars and trees, I do feel nurtured. I felt held and supported. I feel clean and clear, like it just clears that energy channel that's running through the center of my being, of my body, and reignites my connection to oneness, to us all being a part of nature. We are all born in this lifetime and we all die in this lifetime, just like all of this greenery that you see around me, just like dogs, just like bugs, just like humans. We are all here equally, and I really want to just continue to honor Mama Gaia, honor this earth, and honor nature as a whole. All of these plants and animals and humans, we are sending out a frequency that is creating our reality. And I have witnessed in myself a growth and a change. It's almost like I don't even recognize myself anymore. And as I sit here, I realize that I honor and love the change within me. And because I honor and love this change, then it is reflected back to me in the mirror of life. As I sit here softly upon her belly, I realize the importance of Anya, to live in right relationship, in respect to all of life and all life's dharma and its reason for being here. Who really knows? It's so quantum, it's so grand scheme of things that it's almost just a feeling and an energy to be tuned into, and it's the space between words. The space between before sound happens. As we all share our life and death cycles, our rebirth, it's like I feel like I'm a phoenix rising from the ashes, which is why I got the phoenix tattooed on my arm, is because there have been so many initiations, you could call them, dark night of the soul, shadow work, challenges. Like, there are so many words that can define a similar thing, and people resonate with different words. And for me, it's really been embracing what no longer serves me and allowing that to die, just like the earth allows what is finished its life cycle to fall to the earth, to go back to the earth, to compost and be reborn, generate new life. I believe the same goes for us. When we learn and witness patterns and habits, practices that no longer serve us, let those die. Give that back to the earth to create the spaciousness for your soul and your spirit to truly shine through, so that you may live in your best self in every moment. And I've learned this for myself. I've learned this to, even though it feels weird and uncomfortable and uncertain in so many times, like getting to know our own inner wilderness, our own inner landscape, to know what is true and right for us in every moment. It's a practice in every single moment. And it's a practice of disattachment, non-attachment, and it's a practice of non-judgment. Really opening up that heart space and loving oneself, having compassion. And I really feel this within the growth within me, especially in these last 3 years. The changes that I've had to go through. I've had many health challenges surface in these years, and it was initiation. It is what got me to where I am today. It has supported me to have that connection with oneness and spirit, and know that I am not separate. I am never alone, because we are all in this together, all life. We will all die, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful to step into our gifts and our offerings for our time here on earth. And being of service with those gifts in reciprocity, and opening up to receiving when you're sharing those gifts. Part of this transformation has been allowing myself to trust in my intuition, believe into these messages and this guidance that I'm getting that comes almost like a bolt of lightning, being struck like a bolt of lightning, like a aha, and following through with that, taking action with that, and really absorbing it and masticating it to understand how I can share that as a gift for others, or if this is just wisdom and support for my life. Yeah. Oh, it smells so good in here. And my lungs feel so full, and I feel abundant, and I just so nurtured. This color of green just illuminating my heart space, my heart chakra, so that I may share this love and process with you. Yeah, I am so happy I chose this challenge. Yeah. Yeah. So may your days be fabulous. May you take the time to connect with nature, connect with this oneness, this source that we are all from and all a part of, and dissolve the feelings of separateness, dissolve the feelings of loneliness, because you were made for this, and you are love, having your own unique experience in this wild wilderness we call life on earth. Okay, yeah, that's it for me to share today, and I'm gonna spend some more time in silence here, laying upon Mother Earth's belly in love and gratitude, and yeah, thank you. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Peace and much love. Rise and shine.